Today we are covering ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist Risk and Compliance CIS-RC. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question is, setting up entity classes is required when using which GRC features? Choose two options. Option A, setting up an object-based risk assessment. Option B, adding to the policy exception integration registry. Option C, assessing the impact of a regulatory feed. Option D, leveraging classic risk assessments. Option E, leveraging advanced risk assessment. Correct answer is option A and option E. Next question is, which GRC tables serve as primary parent tables for the GRC applications? Choose three options. Option A, content. Option B, item. Option C, asset. Option D, task. Option E, document. Correct answer is option A, B and option E. Next question is, annualized loss expectancy is a feature of which risk score method? Option A, residual. Option B, quantitative. Option C, qualitative. Option D, inherent. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following are benefits of customer access management? Choose two options. Option A, it defaults the responsibility for access management to the customer service agent. Option B, it increases security by automatically providing access to case information based on the account hierarchy. Option C, to increases automation by automatically granting access to cases based on access to sold product. Option D, it improves the customer experience by enabling related parties to track and collaborate on cases. Option E, it defaults the responsibility for access management to the customer. Correct answer is option A and option C. Next question is, within the policy acknowledgement module, what table does the acknowledgement instance table extend from? Option A, task. Option B, policy acknowledgement. Option C, does not extend from a table. Option D, policy. Option E, document. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, for advanced risk assessment, risk response can be handled in the following ways. Choose two options. Option A, create multiple risk response tasks. Option B, skipped entirely based on attributes defined in the RAM. Option C, must create a mitigation response task. Option D, must create at least one risk response task. Correct answer is option A and option B. Next question is, which of the following is not a caller access field option? Option A, caller tracking. Option B, caller restriction. Option C, none. Option D, caller permission. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, what assessment types can be enabled when configuring a risk assessment methodology RAM? Choose three options. Option A, operational risk assessment. Option B, application risk assessment. Option C, residual assessment. Option D, inherent assessment. Option E, control assessment. Option F, project risk assessment. Correct answer is option C, D and option E. Next question is, how does GRC policy and compliance management track compliance to authority documents. Option A. Citations are mapped to entity-scoped controls which are tested as compliant or non-compliant. Option B. Authority documents are mapped to individual policies which are either marked compliant or non-compliant. Option C. Authority documents are mapped to control objectives and compliance is checked when controls are tested as compliant or non-compliant. Option D. Citations are mapped to control objectives and compliance is checked when controls are tested as compliant or non-compliant. Correct answer is option D.